Hey everyone, welcome back to the Godic channel. Today I'll show you how to fix the issue of Roblox not opening or launching. Search for add or remove programs. Find Roblox in the list and uninstall it. Then open the command prompt and type cd %local app data %. Next, type rd/s/q Roblox and press Y, then enter to delete all Roblox files from your PC. After that, you'll need to reinstall Roblox. Go to the official Roblox website in your browser and launch any game. It will prompt you to download Roblox. Install it and everything should work. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.